Hello traders, I'm back here with my best analysis and the best trade of the day. I hope guys you had an amazing day today. Today was the last trading day of the month and the last trading day of the week. We had amazing volatility in the market. Most of the traders banked beautiful pips. Let me share with you the intraday analysis review and how the traders banked beautiful pips today. All right, so just to recap traders, this is the system I use for the live trading, live intraday analysis, and the live coaching and training through this platform. If you would like to know how I trade using this platform, please watch that video and the link is given in the video description. All right, so just to recap, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis. I analyze market twice a day, just before London Open at 7:30 GMT, and one is 2 p.m. and all the analysis recording instantly available here in the training session, and all the analysis broadcast in the analysis section. Then later on we watch those analyses. If any opportunities raised based on those analyses, we broadcast instantly updates in the analysis section and also update through live audio commentary. As you can see, we had a 23 best analysis, beautiful pips, amazing. You can see most of the traders bank beautiful profit. You can see consider banking some pips. All right, so one of my traders bank 159 pips. You can see only few trades but manage beautiful pips. Let me share with you each trade, because all these trades are 100% based on the analysis. The system capture this entry and the exit screenshot, and that's why we keep it for educational purpose. And all these pips are copied to the MT4 through our MT4 trade copier. If you don't know, watch that video in the video description. You will find out how we convert those pips into the real money. All right, so let's back to the trade. This was the pretty straightforward breakout trade. That's the entry screenshot. This is the exit screenshot, because we set up 35 pips target profit. Price nicely hit based on the analysis which we broadcasted. And you can see yesterday we broadcasted this because you can see the price develop a double bottom, and we explained because we were watching in 4-hour. So based on that, as you can see, the price nicely broken, and afterwards we can see we have another beautiful pullback. Let me change the color. So you can see we have one breakout, afterwards we have another pullback, and price nicely hit to the profit target. And let me share with you the 4-hour chart, and you can see here in 4-hour this morning, because this trade was taken when yesterday the price hit that 128,000 level, which is the daily support level. As you can see here, as soon as the price developed this pattern, and we did in intraday that analysis, as you can see, price nicely hit and banked beautiful 35 pips on that trade. We also had a short trades, and we also had a counter trade. So look at this whole journey. We banked beautiful pips both ways, in down and up. Okay, so that's the dollar CAD. And if you look at the euro yen, we had a long trade. This was the entry, and this is the exit. Again, this was the breakout trade. As you can see here, price nicely broken. That's the entry, and this is the exit. Because if you look at the bottom, momentum was bullish and beautiful. You can see price nicely hit the profit target. And let me share with you the analysis of that. So euro yen, basically, let me share with you. Yeah, that's the one. You can see this was the analysis we did at 7:40 just before London Open, and this is 7:40 GMT. Beautiful. Again, let me share with you the 4-hour, because we analyze, we watch in 4-hour, and then we take entry in. Okay, so we took a breakout. If you look at this was the breakout trade, price nicely broken, and this is the monthly resistance level. As you can see here, price nicely hit to the monthly, and we banked beautiful 44 pips on euro yen. Again, that trade was based on this analysis. Okay, so another one is 34 pips long on dollar yen. This was the, you can see, entry, which we explained to trader look for this breakout. You can see here, beautiful. As mentioned on the analysis, technically we mentioned if the price gonna break this one and the pullback. Technically we were looking at pullback, and this is the entry and this is the exit. And let me share with you the analysis of that dollar yen. Okay, here you go. You can see this is the analysis which we explained to trader that if the price is going to respect this blue fib channel, then because momentum was very strong bullish, as you can see, price nicely hit to the profit target. And later on we also had a counter short trade. So price, as soon as the price hit to the major resistance level, with beautiful pips on euro yen. And let me share with you the 4-hour. Based on that, we took if you look at here 4-hour this morning, and you can see here the price nicely broken this previous high. As soon as the price, if you look at this candle is inside candle pattern, that's what we explained to trader. The momentum is very strong bullish, so am I going to break this one and am I going to hit this target? So which price nicely did, and we banked I think 34 pips, and afterwards we did another counter short trade instantly as soon as we banked some profit. And let me share with you because we mentioned counter short trade at this level, and let me explain to you which one was that. Yeah, that's the one. You can see here in momentum chart, this was the counter short trade, because the price developed another pattern. As soon as the price hit to the major resistance level, we broadcast that analysis instantly. As you can see later on, we banked beautiful pips on dollar yen. So that's 34 pips. Dollar CAD long, I think these two trades I believe is a counter long trade. So if you look at here dollar CAD, this was the entry as soon as the price, because let me explain to you why we take this entry. You can see here, because technically we mentioned to the traders for look for long, because the price was at the third touch in the first of all, you can see 1 2 3 at support level. Not only this one, the price was at the fourth phase, because we were watching in 4-hour, and in also we found in 4-hour. Let me share with you guys the 4-hour chart just to explain to you. We were said to our trader at that time that the price has developed third touch. If you look at here, one respected here, second respected here, third here. So we explained to trader, and the 200 EMA plus, basically if you look at here, we have another price respected this level, this level. So we explained to trader, this is the golden opportunity for look for the counter, but we need an intraday pattern. So that's why we did analysis. Let me share with you guys the intraday analysis at that level. That's the one. Let me share with you guys. We had it to dollar CAD. Yeah, that's the one. You can see here that we did the look for the long counter long opportunities, and we also explained, keep in mind, in 4-hour major support level. And you can see we have another beautiful long trade. Price came back, retested. Then we explained to trader that now we should be taking a long trade counter, because the price reached to the major support level. So we did another analysis, and then 35 pips long again. And this is the another analysis. As you can see here, as soon as the price banked some profit here, then as soon as the price developed another, and we explained to trader pull back and breakout, and we also announced afterwards pullback. I said, guys, after the breakout, momentum is developed bullish, so now we should be taking another pullback long. So keep taking long. So you can see he make another 35 pips on counter long trade on dollar CAD. You can see here that's the entry, and that's the exit, which price nicely hit to the profit target. So you can see all these trades. Basically, we broadcast the analysis first. Pound yen, we had 2 short trades. That's -5 pips each. He opened it. We were expecting a big move, but as you can see, this was the entry, and which is the breakout entry. Pretty straightforward. Even the price went around about 20 pips in profit, but he was expecting that price might gonna shoot up, so he closed this trade basically. And it's a price as soon as the break on above the orange EMA, he take the losses twice on -5 pips. Again, this was the analysis. Basically, you can see here at the New York session we did price nicely broken, and some of the traders banked beautiful pips. This one he was keep holding it, and he closed his trade here. Anyhow, so you can see here, based on the intraday analysis, 159 pips one of the traders made it. And let me share with you quickly, this morning we had amazing analysis. So you can see euro yen, dollar yen, euro pound. This was a pretty straightforward breakout long trade. Euro pound and pound Swiss franc, that was a pretty straightforward. We were expecting a pullback. You can see that there's no red candle at this level. Then we said a short trade, and of course after the breakout, as always, you can see the momentum was bearish. Beautiful pullback short trade after the breakout on pound Swiss franc. Euro USD, we had a beautiful trade breakout. You can see the consolidation breakout, beautiful breakout long trade, momentum was developed bullish. Then we have we had a nice trade on Aussie dollar and Kiwi dollar too. You can see this one pretty straightforward. Price basically broken this one as mentioned on the analysis. As always, after the breakout, you can see another beautiful pullback long trade on Aussie dollar. We have the more or less the same pattern on Kiwi dollar, which is you can see here, another pretty straightforward breakout. After the breakout, another beautiful pullback long trade on Kiwi dollar. Alright guys, you can see most of the trades bank beautiful pips, amazing trades, amazing profit today, 159. I hope you enjoy all these analysis details, and if you would like to see all that analysis in real time alongside with the live audio commentary support, even if you don't have Forex trading experience, we also provide full Forex coaching and training through this platform. Our objective is to train traders with the live market, where we also taking trades so they can understand how it works. So this is not about the strategy or system, it's all about pure price action. But this is the platform which help us to broadcast those analysis, which we are basically also trading it. And also all the professional traders, they also provide the comments and banking this pip. So this is the platform. We provide full real-time practical Forex coaching and training. So even if you are struggling, I'm pretty sure you can develop your trading skill very effectively and very fast. And we also provide funds to the traders, whoever provide these beautiful pips. We also basically arrange funded account for those successful trader. Or even if you are experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love to bank all that pips every single day alongside with our professional trader. You can see all these analyses are 100% as a price action analysis, so professional trader can easily understand. We don't need to give them explanation, but we also provide full coaching and training to the novice trader and the traders who are struggling it. So I hope you enjoy all this analysis video. Alright guys, and have a nice weekend. Wish you all the best, and I'll see you on Monday with another analysis. All the best.